So primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide is a such type of the alkyl halide where the halogens are bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is bonded to the only one carbon atom or no other carbon atom. So these are having the general formula RCH2X, where the R is alkyl group. So here the halogen atom is bonded to the sp3 hybridized primary carbon atom. Look at here, I have taken the example of ethyl chloride. Here the chlorine halogen atom is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is bonded to the another methyl group. So this is ethyl chloride. So you can take R is equals to any alkyl. If I have taken R is equals to ethyl, CH3, CH2 is ethyl, X is CH2X is continuation part, CH2 Cl I will take. So 1, 2, 3 propyl chloride. Look at here. This is the halogen. This halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Means carbon-carbon single bond, which is bonded to the only one carbon atom. So whatever this portion is there, that is ethyl. This portion methyl. So generally methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, which is bonded to the CH2X. That is primary carbon atom. So generally alkyl CH2X is the general formula of primary alkyl halide. Similarly, secondary alkyl halide, where the halogen is bonded to the sp3 hybridized secondary carbon atom, where it is bonded to the two other carbon atoms. The two other carbon atoms are indicated by R and R. It may be any alkyl. Suppose if I have taken CH3, CH3. CH3 is methyl, another CH3 is methyl, and this is secondary carbon atom. So this is isopropyl chloride. Iso is indicating the branched structure of this alkyl halide. Here is N-propyl chloride. Why N-propyl chloride? Because N is indicating straight normal chain according to common system nomenclature, and iso is indicating branched chain and secondary carbon atom. Or you can also call it as a secondary propyl chloride. Similarly, tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halides are the such type of the alkyl halides where the halogen atom is bonded to the tertiary carbon atom. The carbon which is bonded to the three other carbon atom is called as tertiary carbon. The halogen bonded such type of tertiary carbon atoms are known as tertiary alkyl halide. For example, this is the general formula of tertiary alkyl halide, that is R, C, R, R and X. The halogen is same, sp3 hybridized, bonded to the three other carbon atom. Example, I will take all these alkyls as methyl. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, Cl. You need to confirm it that whether they are satisfying the general formula of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide general formula is CnH2n plus 1 X. Look at here. 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. C4. 2 4s are 8 plus 1. H9. And X is Cl. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. 9 hydrogen atoms. And the halogen. Only thing is you need to remember that the halogen atom is bonded to the tertiary carbon atom. So tertiary alkyl halides are the such type of the alkyl halides where the halogen is bonded to the tertiary carbon atom, where it is bonded to the three other carbon atom. So this is tertiary butyl. Butyl stands for 4 carbon atoms, satisfying the CnH2n plus 1 general formula. Butyl chloride. You can take bromide, fluoride, iodide also. Similarly, this is the first class is over, that is sp3CX bond. First classification was alkyl halide. Further classification primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide is finished. And next other two classifications of compounds containing sp3CX bond is allyl halide, benzyl halide. Allyl halide, these are the such type of the compounds where the halogen is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to that of the carbon-carbon double bond. Look at here. These are the such type of the haloalkanes where the halogen is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, the carbon which is bonded only with a single bond with the other carbon atom is called as sp3 hybridized carbon, which should be next to that of the carbon-carbon double bond. Look at here. This sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon-carbon double bond. So this carbon is known as allyl carbon and the halogen compound is known as allyl halide. Allyl halides are the compounds where the halogens are bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to that of the carbon-carbon double bond. Look at here this carbon atom. This carbon atom is only bonded to the one carbon atom. So therefore, we can say it as primary allyl halide. Okay, this is primary allyl halide. If it is bonded to the two other carbon atom, secondary allyl halide, all the hydrogen atoms are replaced, then it is tertiary allyl halide. Okay, so allyl halides further primary, secondary and tertiary allyl halides. Next is benzyl halide. So benzyl halides are the such type of the haloalkanes where the halogen is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is next to that of the benzene ring. Look at here. The halogen is bonded to the sp3 hybridized. This carbon atom is singly bonded. Okay. And this singly bonded carbon atom is next to that of the benzene ring. So therefore, it is a benzyl halide. Benzyl halides are the compounds in which the halogen is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon next to that of the benzene ring. Second, this is primary benzylic halide. If I remove the another hydrogen atom from this and bond it with the any other carbon atom, then it is secondary benzylic halide. If it is bonded to the another hydrogen atom, another carbon atom, then it is known as tertiary benzylic halide. So benzylic halides can also be classified as primary, secondary and tertiary based on the nature of the halogen atom to which the based on the nature of the carbon atom to which the halogen atom is bonded. And next one is compounds containing sp2CX bond. Okay, compounds containing sp2CX bonds, further they are classified into two types, vinyl halide and aryl halide. Name itself suggests that compounds containing sp2CX bond. Here the halogen atom is bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, means the halogen is bonded to the carbon-carbon double bond. For example, vinyl halide. These names we are using for the nomenclature of compounds according to the common system. So therefore, example of vinyl halide, here the halogen is bonded to the carbon atom which is doubly bonded with the other carbon atom. Look at here, carbon-carbon double bond where the halogen is directly bonded to it. So this is the example of vinyl halide. Similarly, aryl halide is the second class of the compounds containing sp3CX bond. Here, halogen is directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized benzene ring. As we yesterday in the definition class only we already gone through with that. Halogen is if directly bonded to the benzene ring, then it will be considered as haloarine. So haloarine can be named as aryl halide according to common system, that will be coming under compounds containing sp2CX bond. ये हो रहा था मैडम.